After his removal from power, Robert Gabriel Mugabe, the former president of the Republic of Zimbabwe, acknowledged that indeed the ruling party ZANU PF was a terror organization. He acknowledged that indeed there were human rights abuses in Zimbabwe, and he presided over those human rights abuses. He also went on to acknowledge that indeed the people who are left, or the people who are actually leading us today, led terror activities within ZANU PF and within the borders of Zimbabwe. Let us take a look on what Robert Mugabe said.
What about the human rights abuses that so many
yes, we have been accused of that. And on that side, yes, then some errors were done. They continue to be done. Human rights, that's a very difficult area. I agree. We offended in regard to that area.
Is that in terms of the election violence?
No, I think it is more in relation to how we handled other people, the opposition, etc., etc.
The violence towards you?
The violence, yes.
You see, what people will say is that you were in charge for 37 years. For the errors that were made, for the problems that Zimbabwe has now, there can really be only one person to blame, and that is Robert Mugabe.
No, just one person. Now can you say one person? One person was leading the party, and the party had its own program. We used to be the pride, not just of Zimbabwe, but of our region, SADC. But we are not that anymore. We are a disgrace to ourselves, a disgrace to our community, SADC, a disgrace to Africa.
As sad as it is, there is nothing we can do to undo what happened in the past, but we need to take corrective measures at this moment in time to make sure that in the future it doesn't happen again. If you look at what is happening, they treat Nelson Chamisa as if he is the ruling party, yet he is not in power. So this is it, Team Zimbabwe. Let us continue to raise our vote. Let us continue to make sure that we bring change in 2020.